I am Lidia Ebersole of the USLAW member firm Roetzel and Andress in Toledo, Ohio and Detroit, Michigan. This presentation focuses on the effect the new Michigan no-fault law has on tort litigation. Examples of affected entities include trucking companies, businesses that have their employees drive through Michigan, and anyone and anywhere when involved in an accident with a Michigan-insured vehicle. Prior to July 1st, 2020, the Michigan no-fault insurance law provided unlimited, no-fault personal injury protection, or PIP, coverage. This covered an accident victim's medical expenses, some wage loss, and other benefits from the accident victim's own insurance. Drivers were normally immune from liability except for certain serious injuries. After July 1st, 2020, the law has changed to allow vehicle owners to choose among various levels of PIP coverage and pay lower premiums. Current PIP coverage levels are as low as $50,000 per person per accident. Unlimited coverage is still an option, but it is now optional. Opting out of no-fault coverage is also possible now. What does it mean to you? For the first time since the 1970s, drivers in Michigan may be liable for victims' medical expenses. So if your driver is involved in an accident in Michigan and the adverse driver does not have unlimited PIP coverage, you will be sued for medical expenses in excess of the victim's coverage. This will cause increased litigation and higher exposure for drivers, their employers, and insurers. What's next? There are additional changes of the law that will take place in 2021, and other changes are anticipated in the future. These changes show the intent of the legislature to switch to a tort-based system as opposed to the no-fault system that Michigan had in place for almost 50 years. This is a 180-degree turn in tort litigation in Michigan. Before we know it, Michigan's no-fault coverage will be a thing of the past, and we might want to take a U-turn before crossing that Michigan state border. But until then, if you're ever traveling north of Detroit on Interstate 75 around Troy, Michigan, and become hungry or want to explore some Polish culture, I recommend traveling toward 15 Mile Road. There, you will find a selection of authentic Polish restaurants, a Polish market with imported goods from Poland, and an American Polish cultural center. The restaurants serve such popular Polish goodies as pierogi, naleśniki, which are Polish cheese crepes, Polish hunter's stew, which I call bigos, and my favorites, a selection of Polish soups. Whether you're Polish like I, love Polish food, or you're just curious, the area is worth traveling to. For more information about the topics addressed today, please contact me at lebersole@ralaw.com. That's lebersole@ralaw.com. Thank you.